Hi, welcome. I have a question for you. Do you want to become a master hypnotist? Do you want to learn how to hypnotize others in 30 seconds or less? Do you want to make money, have more fame, have more fun and profit using hypnosis? Then you're in the right place. I am Pradeep Aggarwal from Institute of Mind Control and Development, Hyderabad, India. I am a certified hypnotherapist and NLP trainer. I have conducted hypnosis seminars all over the world in the last 41 years and more than 400,000 people attended my training programs. Now I conduct these hypnosis training programs not very regularly because I conduct more program on self-improvement and mind programming. Now many people keep asking me to conduct the workshop in their area, which is not possible all the time. So what we have done here is we have live recorded our 2 full-day training programs on becoming a master hypnotist in Hyderabad. It's a 2 full-day live recorded program and we put it into 4 DVDs. Plus you get some bonus materials. So this is a live training program. Let me tell you what you are going to learn. In this live training programs you are going to learn, in this video program which we recorded, you are going to learn what is hypnosis, how it works, the myths about hypnosis, then how to hypnotize others. You will learn different methods of hypnotizing others. Then you will learn instant inductions, instant hypnosis, so that you can hypnotize anybody in seconds, not even 30 seconds, even a few seconds. And I have more than 800 videos on YouTube. You can have a look at some of my videos. And now my friend, this video is very specific. You will learn some powerful, simple techniques where you can easily hypnotize anybody. Then you can teach them how to go into self-hypnosis. You can teach them how to program their mind. You can teach them how to control pain. You can help them to heal others. Heal themselves and heal yourself. You can able to heal others. We'll give you, in the manual, you give a lot of different techniques of healing others. Plus you will learn some very specific technique which I brought to India called Dev Element Induction, which take only, in full it takes 3.5 minutes to put a person into deep stage of hypnosis very first time. And it works 95% of the time. And then you will learn rapid and instant inductions. Then you will learn how to program them for yes and no finger signals so that you can communicate them and heal them. Then learn variety of techniques, some special techniques called Ericksonian hypnosis. You will learn around 4 techniques there. Then you will learn how to have fun with hypnosis. You will learn a lot of suggestive tests, so you can lock their hand, a lot of other things you can do. So this is a live recorded program, 2 full days. We have removed, edited a lot of practice sessions. So in whole, it is around more than 8 hours of recording. And you will learn some very powerful techniques there, which I use regularly in my therapy sessions. And after this 2 days, after this, watching these videos and practicing on few times, you will master these things easily. Many of people have taken this course or live course only. They have downloaded all over the world also, and they have already started using this technique and I got a wonderful feedback from them. Now my friend, this course normally I charge around 15,000 for the live training programs. And now in this particular package, because you are not attending a live program, you are ordering a DVD and thing, for the limited time, I've given you some wonderful bonuses. First bonus, you'll get around 6 ebooks, especially a manual also will come in an ebook format, so you can take a printout. Then you'll get an audio of the whole program or an MP3. Plus I'll give you one audio file called Uncovering the Cause and Developing Confidence, which I give it to everybody for therapy purpose. Now this is I normally give. This itself costs more than 5,000 rupees. And now, whether you are aware of it or not, there is one website in US called udemy.com where I've created 208 courses and I have more than 200,000 students there. And 208 courses on hypnosis and NLP. And I find NLP is a very powerful tool. I have created one DVD where I am giving you 10 different courses on NLP. Very powerful courses on NLP. I'll just give you the name here. And these are actually selling for $40 on Udemy. To bring the price down and bring my cost down, what I have done here is I have created this 10 courses on NLP in one DVD, and they are super confident now through 4 NLP techniques, 5 NLP techniques to power of your life, change pictures in your mind, change your life, 4 powerful techniques to remove fear and phobias, have a high self-esteem and personal power through simple NLP powerful techniques, language of success, change your words, change your life, motivate yourself now through 6 NLP technique, reprogram your mind in 60 seconds or less, transform your inner voice, and 5 simple NLP techniques to overcome anxiety. So I made one DVD which itself cost more than 20,000 rupees. So I've put it into one DVD for a limited period of time. All these 3 things, the course, 4 DVD plus one CD with the ebooks, 1 CD with the audio files. Plus you'll get 1 DVD which have 10 courses. Each course is around 40 minutes to 50 minutes each, where I'll be guiding you into the process. This itself cost $40 each. That means $400 in Udemy. But for the Indian price, we have brought it less and we put it into one DVD so you can watch them at your convenience. You can combine NLP and hypnosis in your therapy also once you watch the DVD. For this course is available all for a limited time. The whole thing may cost you, if you take it separately, attend my course, take these bonuses on ebooks and audio files, plus these 10 courses on Udemy. Video courses may cost you more than 30,000 rupees. Now my friend, for a limited period of time, you go to the link, you can get it at a very low price, which is 5,000 rupees. Only 5,000 rupees plus 150 rupees the postage. So my friend, I want you to right now go and take the advantage of this. You will learn some very, very powerful techniques there which I have learned in last 41 years. And you will learn by doing it. I'll give you a demo of each technique. In my class also I give a demo and then they practice. So you'll watch the demo again and you can learn easily. So my friend, I want you to take you right now. This is if you really want to become a master hypnotist, you want to learn hypnosis for fun, profit and fame, and really enjoy doing hypnosis and reprogram your subconscious mind. You can use it on yourself, you can use it on others. So my friend, go to the link right now and call on the number given here, and you can take this DVD course because this is available. This package is available only for a few days only. So click on the link, you can go and see the link, and you can pay by PayU money. If you live in India, you can pay by PayU money with a credit card or debit card or fund transfer. The book links are there. So my friend, I again suggest you click on the link right now and take this course and buy this course right now. And I'm looking forward to seeing you personally sometime in my other courses. Thank you very much.